Welcome to the Outpost, your cute, comfy, and convenient student haven in Fort Collins. These 3, 4, and 5 bedroom apartments are equipped with a warm bed, cozy workspace, and spacious walk-in closets for your comfort. You also get to avail an expert microwave, dishwasher, washer and dryer, flat screen TV, and AC. There's an ensemble of essentials at your fingertips, and there's more. Enjoy a soak in the sparkling pool, or hot tub when you're not hitting the gym or yoga studio. Want to get competitive with friends? Head to the sand volleyball court or game room and unleash your skills there. Unwind in the movie theater with a sizzling plate from the grilling station, or by the fire with a warm cup from the coffee bar. From speedy Wi-Fi and dedicated parking to 24-hour emergency maintenance and security. Convenience and safety wrapped in one deal. Colorado State University and Berkshire University are a quick drive away. Getting to class is easy. With buses from Conifer and Redwood, or Blue Spruce and Conifer just down the road, and the terminal at Eastlake and 124th, your travels are effortless. Transform your university experience into a luxurious vacation at the Outpost. Visit amberstudent.com now